So what is this called?
I believe this is Rava Idli.
Rava Idli?
I think so. It's my first time trying it too. I've had an Idli, but this seems like a Bangalore special.
Bangalore special.
Yeah, I'm excited to try this. Got some ghee, got the Idli, you got some curries here. I think this might be a chutney.
Oh, nice chutney.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Bangalore special. It's a hand thing.
Pour it on something?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm just doing like this kind of thing. What's going on?
Yeah. Really nice.
Rupert is enjoying himself very much. Down in Muna.
We're checking out the metro system here in Bangalore. So the only difference so far between Montreal and here is that there's a security to get in, and it's quite empty actually, more empty than it would be in Montreal.
Over there?
Kind of hard to find where to buy the tickets, but we're gonna find it. So we got a token here.
That's a token. Oh, I got a black one.
So how many rupees per ticket was it?
15.
So to go into the metro here, it's 25 cents Canadian dollars. It's the price of a quarter. Little token here to get in.
You have to use it to get out.
Oh really? Okay. Where do you put it? Oh, here. So you have to keep the little token to leave the metro too, so you don't want to lose that.
It was probably 15 rupees.
Oh yeah?
Tobacco, and they usually run, you know, $12. Tobacco, they would just come in and sit like every few minutes.
Yeah.
Some chairs that have written on it for ladies. It's only like
Yeah, some of the seats are only for women apparently.
Oh, that's the women's only booth. So they have a separate women's frisking booth, men and women separately, because it's modesty and that sort of thing. Checking out the fort here in Bangalore.
Look at this red banana.
I'd be happy.
Bounty of nature.
It looks just like a normal banana, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh, actually look at it. Look at the inside.
A little bit orange on the inside, but you look at the outside, completely red. This red banana is very interesting actually. I've never even seen or heard of a red banana in my life, so saw them on the street and I was like, might as well try a couple.
Here we see Rupert opening the banana open.
So yeah, it looks like a normal banana. It tastes like a normal banana for the most part, but what I notice is that it's a bit more smooth. The texture is slightly different. I haven't even had a local yellow banana here, so I don't know how different it is to those, but compared to the bananas in Canada, it feels a bit more properly ripened. Consistency is just a bit more smooth, a bit less chewy.
They taste basically identical.
Maybe more of an earthy flavor, maybe. You know
I mean, they're delicious. Like,
and they're a bit denser than your normal banana, but
Maybe.
just the tinier bananas.
like this really is the
tend to be-
perfect ripeness. I find with yellow bananas, it's kind of a gamble sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes it'll look not too ripe, but it'll be way too squishy.
The name Bangalore stems from Bengaluru, in a reference to a Ganga inscription circa 890 AD, found near the Beggar Temple, Kempegowda, a feudatory of the Vijayanagar Empire, and gave it its name. The city was leased to the Mysore king Chikkadevaraya by the Mughals in 1689 AD. He expanded the existing fort and built a temple within its boundaries. Lord Cornwallis captured the fort in 1791 AD, but handed it back to Tippu Sultan a year later as part of a treaty. The original fort was oval in plan, with round bastions and huge gateways at important places. It was surrounded by a dry moat. Only this part of the fort now remains intact, consisting of a dungeon and a small Ganesha temple. The 3 successive gateways here link the royal enclosure to the civilian area. The granite walls are sloping with beautiful stucco carvings. A tablet embedded on the wall indicates that this was where Lord Cornwallis breached the fort when he took possession of it. The dungeon bears witness to the confinement of Sir David Baird prior to 1785 on a large tablet placed there. So how do you like this fort?
This fort is cool. It's nice and tall and orange. I like the designs of this. I wish we could see more. There's only so much.
Do you think this fort would protect you if you owned it?
I think it would protect me.
Not
Maybe
from
not from
biological warfare.
no, and not from all those birds that you see flying in the sky. I think there's a lot of like hawks and stuff. But like maybe from some people, I guess. Who knows?
Some invading warriors.
Yeah. I think it could do its job.
Everything is just fast and loose here, man. Form of organization that relies on chaos. It's all ordered chaos.
How do you like that?
I think it's cool. I think it makes people laid back. Everything is kind of ad hoc or free flowing.
Follow YouTube, subscribe. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay, do subscribe, like and share. Guys, it's the best one. Canadian person.
Like, subscribe and share. Click on. Do like, subscribe and share this video towards your family, friends and everything. Go, hit like button.
Please follow, like, subscribe, my friend.